The All-Jet Vac 1215, the latest in the line of Vacol combination sewer cleaners and hydro excavators, is being used to locate leaks and major repairs in a fraction of time required by the old methods. Crews cut the asphalt pavement and remove debris with a backhoe loader until they can get into the vicinity of the water line. The All-Jet Vac 1215's hydro-excavating handgun is then used to loosen and cut through soil, rock, and clay around the pipe as workers search for the actual leak spot. Using the industry's greatest vacuum power, the 8-foot, 6-inch telescoping boom vacuums the material into the 12-yard debris tank. The handgun and pump are capable of blasting water at 3,000 pounds per square inch at 10 gallons per minute. By using less water, the All-Jet Vac 1215 is able to operate at a remarkable capacity while keeping excess sludge materials to a minimum. This keeps workers working more and spending less time emptying the debris tank. The 1,500-gallon capacity heavy wall aluminum water tank also keeps workers on the job, reducing fill-up trips. Kelly Ricklick, New Philadelphia Water Department Superintendent, said it normally takes a full day to repair a single water main leak. On the first day they used the All-Jet Vac 1215, crews located 3 problem areas, 2 where they located valves and shut off leaking secondary lines, and 1 where they repaired a main line. All 3 leaks were repaired in less than 6 hours, saving about 2 days of work. Ricklick also said, "The Vacol machines save us a ton of time. It also keeps the work area safe by eliminating the need to work within the excavation site." Safe sludge dumping is also handled efficiently with a tilt mechanism and rear door opening.